Yo, working to play. Okay, so a lot of places got pummeled by hail. So with that, if you want to do your own accord and check, a lot of places we didn't get hail big enough to cause any damage. So one of the softer metals on houses is the aluminum downspouts. So like if you want to check if you have any dimples in here, because most likely this is even a softer aluminum than your cars. So if you can't see anything visible for little dimples or dents on this, then I mean I see I got something here, but who knows, that's not consistent enough if there's just one on this whole pipe. This is an older one yet, but this one's actually steel, I think, so that one's really not gonna it'll take a ton of abuse and not get hurt. But this aluminum one, this newer one, that one, I don't see much of anything on it to say, hey, we got hail big enough to cause damage. We did get there was some that fell. That was, I'd like to say, well, those aren't even aluminum, and those didn't get holes through it. If it got golf ball, it probably would have blown right through the window wall covers. But yeah, if you want to do your own self check. And because a lot of people, you're not going to necessarily get coverage for your shingles and all that. You're going to get a partial depreciation value, so you're going to have a ton out-of-pocket cost. Or so do some easy checks real quick just to see yourself if you can find anything. I can't look at this spot because right here, I mean, this is what it would look like. I'll flip the camera back around. Like if you had lots of hail damage, it'd look like this. But this is where the shovels and the hose reel and all that sits. So that's what happened here. And actually it's on the edge, not on this top side. So then that, like this would be all dimpled if we actually got good hail there. So the other spot to check is the underside of your gutters. If you don't have a gutter guard, then the underside of your gutter right there would show dimples on it too. So that's an easy self-check for yourself, so you know if a company is trying to scam you. Like, because a lot of these guys, you're gonna have a big depreciation amount unless you see like a decent setup. But I would say for the most part, do a self-check for yourself around your house. And if you see little dimples, like even your car hoods and stuff, then make the call to your insurance company and have their adjuster come out, not a fly-by-night company. So everybody, watch yourself. Hope this helps somebody. I'm out.